Hey friends, so we're going to go ahead and practice writing some final sounds in words. You're going to need something to write with, pencil, paper, whiteboard, and marker, or whatever you can find, chalkboard. Um, and I want you to follow along with me as we practice some words.
Let's go ahead and get started. The first word that I'm going to give you is the word sun. I want you to listen to the ending sound and write the letter that matches that ending sound. Sun. Say the word to yourself. Sun. And write the letter at the end of the word. Okay, let's check and see how you did. So I'm going to segment it and then find my ending sound and write that letter. S, n. Mm is the ending sound, and the letter that matches that is N. All right, let's do another. Your next word is the word pet. Okay, go ahead and say that. Pet. Now go ahead and write the final sound at the end of that word, pet. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and segment it and listen to the final sound in the word pet. P-e-t. Now I'm going to write the letter that matches that sound that I heard. T. Check your work. Okay, let's do another one. Your next word is going to be the word can. This is a sight word as well. Can. Say it with me. Can. Okay, go ahead and write the letter that matches the ending sound in can. Okay, now I'm going to segment the word and I'm going to write the ending, the letter that matches the ending sound. So here's the word. K-a-n. And again, in can. Great. Your next word is the word fun. Okay, go ahead and say that if you haven't said it yet. Fun. And write the letter that matches the ending sound that you hear. Okay, now I'm going to segment it. N. And now I'm going to write the letter that matches the ending sound. N. All right. Lots that end with, I don't know why, those words I seem to pick all have the ending sound that's the same. Let me see if I can find some different ones for you. Okay, here we go. Your next word is the word red. I want you to say that with me. Red. Now go ahead and write the ending sound, the letter that matches that ending sound. Red. All right, I'm going to segment it and write it myself. Red. Okay. This is the letter that matches the sound that I heard in the word red. D. Red. Great. All right, now I want to step it up to writing the entire word, and we're going to underline the ending sound. Okay, so for example, if I give you the word, let's say cat, for example. Easy word, right? Okay, so you're going to segment it. You're going to say it, cat. You're going to segment it, k-a-t, and you're going to write it. So k-a. And then we have to underline the final sound that we hear in cat. There it is. Okay, so that's what I want you to do in the next few words that I give you. Okay, you ready to begin? Here we go. Your first word is ant. Go ahead and repeat it after me. Ant. Okay, go ahead and segment it, which means say each sound of the beginning, middle, end that you hear, and then write it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and write it. You could check your work. If you're still working on it, finish it up and then check after you're done. Okay, so the word was ant. I hear short A, consonant N, and the final sound that I hear in ant is a tall letter T. Now we have to also underline our final sound that we hear. So ant, ant. Okay, check your work. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got that right. Okay, next word. This word is dog. Repeat it after me. Dog. Now go ahead and write it. Okay, underline your final sound. Now check your work. Dog. D. Ooh. Aw. G. G. So I have d, ah, g, dog. And my final sound is g. I underline my G. Great. Next word. Okay. Your word is top. Can you repeat that after me? Top. Now go ahead and write it. Also underline your final sound. Now check your work. Top. T. Aw. P. Whoop. A little bit crazy there. T. Aw. P. Top. My final sound is P in the word top. I love playing with words, so let's play with this word for a bit. Okay, after you check yours with mine. What can we add at the beginning of top to make it a word that is something that your parents always see when they are driving their car? It's the opposite of go. Okay, write down what you think. Check your work. Is this what you said? Now let's say our blend. St, ah, p, stop, right? Very good. I love playing with words. So let's see. Let's do another word. I'll change my color here too. Okay. Your word right now is the word bet. Like I'm going to bet you can run faster than me because it's probably true. Bet. All right, I hope you wrote your word and underlined your final sound. Okay, so check your work here with me. Bet, b, e, t, et, bet. My final sound is the sound at the end of the word. We also call it the ending sound or the last. Okay, hope you got that one right. We're almost done. You're doing good. Okay, your next word is the word ran. Go ahead. Okay, let's check your work. R, a, has the final sound of n. Great. Let's play with this word too. There's something you can add. Actually, you can add a couple of things, beginning and end. But let's add this one together. I want you to add a B on the front here of your word. Let's see what new word we have made. Okay, let's blend this. Ready? Brr. And okay, let's take it back a step. Let's say the individual sounds, and then we'll blend the whole thing. B, r, a, n, bran, bran, bran. Type of grain. Okay, so sometimes you'll find bran in different foods that you eat. I like playing with the words as much as I can, so let's go ahead and also add something else to the end of this. Okay, I'm going to add a D. Go ahead and add one to yours. We've added a letter to the beginning of the word ran, and we have added a letter to the end of the word ran. Now let's find out what this says. B, r, br, a, bra, n, brand, brand, brand. Do you know what the word brand means? Brand means who made something, okay? So if you are playing a board game, you might notice that it is made by Hasbro. That's the brand, the company who made it. Could have a different brand name on it. Your clothes usually have a name on their tag. Tells you who made those clothes. All right, let's go ahead and do one final word before we end our time together. Okay, let's do, let me think here of a really good one. Okay, you ready? Fun. Okay, go ahead and say the word to yourself. Write it. Remember to underline your final sound in the word fun. Oopsie. There we go. Got my board back. All right, now check your work with mine. Fun. N. Fun. And my final sound in the word fun is the N sound. Great job. Give yourself a star for working hard with me, or a smiley face if you'd like to do both. Go for it.
Great job. I'm so glad you could practice those words with me. It's important that we continue to write while we are doing our at-home lessons, okay? And that we're paying attention to every sound in the words that we hear or the words that we want to write in our sentences. So play this again if you need some more practice, or ask an adult to give you a word to spell and you can practice on your own, okay? Let's give us a fist bump, thumbs up, okay? Pat on the back, both sides. Let's do a high five too, okay? Let's do a celebration or a celebration, let's say. Let's do the firecracker, okay? So you're gonna light your fireworks. And here they go. Boom, boom, boom. That was fun. I'm glad you got to practice with me. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.